Well, supposedly tree houses on stilts and very rustic, very nice. Accommodation for all the urban dwellers who have never seen such rural accommodation. Look at that. It's being refurbished now. Right, we're climbing up the steps, the staircase, to take a look at the interior of this accommodation. So this is B3. Right, so this is the bedroom. Okay, with a balcony and very, very rustic furnishing.
Very good concept.
Until Supreme Court, you know.
Oh, wow.
Very good concept.
No, I used to kayak.
No, very good concept in the sense that you really,
No, it is really natural.
yeah.
Natural place.
Yeah, you can't get him more.
Okay, so there are two units joined together here. Yeah, with a common toilet in the center. But every unit has its own private toilet. This is the toilet for the unit there. All right. So this is the cafe restaurant for the people who are staying in this the tree houses. Cheers, brother.
Yes.
Yeah. All right, Heineken.
Heineken.
All these gentlemen are all waiting for dinner, having a beer. Right. Okay. Eric, Roy, Dicky. Cheers. 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 Right. Putting up the barbecue for tonight.